So this is how you can recharge your Amazon Prime in 2024. It's actually quite simple. Let's go ahead and open up Prime. So here I am in my account. As you can see, I'm gonna go ahead and open up a profile, and here we are. So you can go ahead and tap on My Stuff at the bottom right, and then as you can see, there's this icon or this gear icon at the top right, which is our settings. And then you're gonna want to tap on My Account. As you can see, I don't really have a subscription right now, but we can go ahead and tap on Manage Account to see our subscriptions. Now, if you have a subscription that is ongoing, as you can see, I don't have a membership. If you do have one, however, you don't need to manually recharge it because it's going to take a bit of money, whatever the price is for the membership that you wanted, from your bank account that you connected to Amazon. So, yeah, the short answer is you don't have to recharge it manually. It's going to keep taking and taking money from your account until you want to cancel it. If you do, however, want to cancel it, just go to this Manage Account tab, and then there should be a Cancel Subscription button. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.